everybody, this is Steve from Scram Speed here, and we're doing a revision to a video that we did about 5 years ago for our fuel line kits for 4150 and other carburetors and EFI units now actually. It's just we wanted to make something a little more up to date. The first thing I always preach whenever anybody's going to have a carburetor on their car is you have to make it easy to live with, because otherwise you're not going to do what needs to be done to make it work properly. And instead of doing the jet change you need to do, you're going to be dreading doing the jet change you need to do. And that's not where we want to be. So the worst mistake that you can make in terms of making your life easy when you're dealing with a carburetor is to install one of these Chinesium pieces of garbage on your carburetor. They are flawed in a huge number of ways, and they make everything more difficult than it has to be. The first problem with them is they thread into these stock inverted flare deals. That's what comes with your carburetor, these little guys. The issue with them is they are very poorly flared because they're just made in some Chinese factory by a guy who's never seen a carburetor before. And so they leak, and so what inevitably you have to do is you have to put some kind of goop on the threads to make them so they don't leak all the time, which is just a disaster. But by far the biggest crime is that after you've fought those leaks to a standstill and made it work for you, anytime you have to perform any adjustment to your carburetor as far as being inside the bowls or what have you, you have to take the thing completely back apart and refight that battle all over again. Even if you only want to change jets in the front, you still have to take it completely apart because it's completely rigid through here. So what our solution does is it makes this line flexible, right? It also threads directly into the carburetor bowls. So you take those inverted flare deals out and ours just screws straight in. The best thing about this is you don't have to take any of this apart anytime you're changing the jets or whatever. The carburetor bowls just come straight off. You can take both of them off. Obviously, anytime that you take your carburetor apart and put it back together, you should check for leaks. But you probably won't have to fool with this basically ever. You can make jet changes, you can change power valves, you can do whatever you need, and you don't have to mess with any of that. We make these for the 4150 carburetors, the carburetors used most in performance applications like this guy here that has dual metering blocks. We also have a kit that we sell for the ones with single metering blocks. We have a kit that we sell for the new Edelbrock VRS 4150 carburetors. And soon, probably by the time you see this, we're also going to have kits for Dominator carburetors. We sell these in -6 or 3/8. And they go to a -6 female hose if you've already got a -6 fuel system, or we include this adapter so that you can thread that on there, and then you can just put your 3/8 fuel hose right to the end of it. We sell these kits in -8 as well, which is a thicker hose, and those have a gauge on them, a fuel pressure gauge. It's always a really good idea to have a fuel pressure gauge when you're dealing with a carburetor, because if you're having any kind of problem, it's a good idea to check that first. We don't sell the -6 kit with a gauge, and the reason for that is because this piece just isn't big enough with the -6 and it's pipe thread. When you thread the gauge in, it can occlude the fuel passage. In terms of which size is better, it's really irrelevant. Sometimes we have customers worry about, well, what if the -8 is too much fuel line? And that's just not a thing you have to worry about. Any carburetor pump that will adequately supply fuel to your carburetor will happily fill up either a -6 or a -8 line. So that isn't a concern. It's purely so that you can have that gauge or not. In high performance applications north of 500 horse or so, you might need a larger than a -6 hose, but for 90% of everybody, the -6 is going to work fine, and the -8 is good to much higher horsepower levels than that even. For most people, the -6 or the -8 are both fine. It's purely a matter of whether or not you want to have a gauge. We also sell these for the carburetor replacement style fuel injection systems like the Sniper Stealth or the Holley Terminator X Stealth. They don't work with the standard Sniper or the Sniper 2, but they do work with those stealth systems that look like a 4150 carburetor. Obviously, make sure you're ordering the right thing because the EFI systems and the carburetor systems are not cross-compatible. All of our kits come with the standard poly rings that we use now. They are a vastly superior upgrade to the stainless steel shims that most of these kits and most of the carburetors ship with. These stainless ones, you have to get insanely tight to keep them from leaking, and again, that's a battle you're going to have to fight multiple times. These guys, they're infinitely reusable, and they just don't leak, and they take a lot less effort to get going. If you don't like the black push lock finish, which I should point out is NHRA legal, it doesn't count as rubber fuel line. But if you don't like the finish on this, we do also have a synthetic weave braided external hose that we can do. We even have the Race Right hose available with the crimp style connect fittings. Those are custom orders. You have to call us to place the order, but we can do whatever way you want. So basically just a couple of tips to try to make your carburetor life easier. We've got a lot of good reviews on these. People really like them. I use them on my car. They're a standard go-to for us. I've got links in the description to where you can find them exactly on our website. If you need, we also have all kinds of other carburetor goodies and carburetors on our website, and we're always happy to make recommendations. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this helps you.